You see, veggie oils break down into harmful compounds when they're heated, so harmful, in fact, that the World Health Organization found that foods fried in vegetable oil contain 100 to 200 times more toxic aldehydes than the safe daily limit. If that weren't concerning enough, the actual raw ingredients making up these oils could be even deadlier. When you consume these oils made from plants like cottonseed, canola, and soybean, you're ingesting linoleic acids. By themselves, they aren't a huge hazard, but when you start accumulating a lot of them, they can be deadly. Excess linoleic acid levels have been linked to obesity, cognitive decline, and yes, heart disease. Now maybe you use a much healthier oil to cook with, like olive oil. If so, good for you. Olive oil doesn't have trans fats, it contains healthy antioxidants, and can lower blood pressure. But here's something virtually nobody knows about cooking with olive oil. Japanese scientists at Meiji University recently made a startling discovery. They found that when cooking certain healthy foods in olive oil, over 285 degrees Fahrenheit, the oil transformed into harmful trans fats. They were stunned to see that brassica vegetables, like cabbage, cauliflower, and even broccoli, were the culprit. In a brand new study published in the journal Food Research International, scientists confirmed sulfur compounds in these veggies reacted with the olive oil to turn the healthy fats into trans fats. And it's harmful VLDL particles that pick up trans fats and transport them through your arteries. Unfortunately, the more trans fats, the more triglycerides. And the more triglycerides, the more VLDL accumulation. You've just learned something 99% of the population doesn't know. And while I'd never suggest you give up olive oil, you need to be aware of this bizarre transformation. With all the misinformation, the corporate greed, and hidden heart attack triggers out there, it's enough to scare the dickens out of most people. And as a doctor with over 15 years of medical practice, I want as many people as possible to know these truths.